All the way up to, we go 5x10, 6x12 as well. Is there a specific material that you're looking at processing?
We make a custom machine. We needed to put
Quarter inch? Okay, yeah, so that wouldn't be any problem with, let's say, like a 2 kilowatt. If you want to walk over here, I'll show you. This is a 5x10 open table.
Okay.
This is a 5x10 EXT, which is an enclosed table, but it has a switch table as well. So as it's processing one sheet, you can be loading and unloading the other sheet.
So we can.
Yeah, it's a router and a laser 2-in-1 system that we have here. Yeah, it's our new. What's that? Yeah, you can do both. You can laser cut and engrave in it. You're lasering non-metals, so your organic materials, and then you're CNC and routing the metals and other materials, Oh yeah, you can do aluminum. Yeah, I've seen them route like 2-inch thick aluminum. The fact that it's extremely diverse in material processing, you get the best of both worlds. You know, you have the CNC aspect of it. You can get into cutting, engraving with this, and you also have the laser aspect of it. So that's a huge advantage having both those capabilities. Whether you're laser